let's start this, guys. We got this.
Press begin.
Let's begin the horror.
3, 2,
Starts in
1.
1. Motherfucker!
Alright.
We got this.
He's just gonna be flipping the freak out.
Caesar's gonna have a baby. He's gonna have a cow.
Alright.
Oh my god, I hate this
follow me.
island thing, dude.
Follow me.
Dude, I
I'm
hate this
Frank.
level.
Follow Frank.
Come on, Frankie. I'm Kurt. I scout. I have scout.
I have the +1 flashlight and that's it.
How do you turn off the flashlight again?
X.
Oh god, I'm gonna walk
We're
right through.
playing on Nightmare too. Last time
Dude.
we got 5 tapes, I think.
Caesar, look behind you. I dare you.
No, you do it. You do it. You do it.
Alright. Once we
Okay,
find the
let's
first tape, dude.
It'll
But he
get
doesn't
sketchy.
appear at all until you find the first tape, huh?
No, he can appear, but it's only if you're like really far into the game, like 30 minutes. But we'll probably find a tape.
How
by
long
then,
was the video last time?
20.
Oh, dude.
Cray.
Dude, let's do this again for almost an hour. No? We have to leave soon anyway.
If you're gonna do it for an hour, just freaking live stream.
I know, that's what I was doing.
Oh, there's one over here.
I'm gonna look behind me. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Oh,
Did you
God.
see him?
Dude, he's outside the window. Oh my god. Dude.
What?
Dude.
Oh!
Oh, don't look over there. Dude.
Oh my god, hey buddy.
Dude.
I'm not scared anymore, I'm not scared
Oh my god,
anymore.
dude, he's still peeking behind me.
Caesar. Still go straight, dude. Just follow us.
I don't know where you guys went. Oh, you guys are right there.
Don't go by
Hey,
yourself.
buddy.
This is high.
Yeah, you'll die by yourself, dude. Don't.
Oh, good.
Holy crap,
Dude,
dude.
he's peeking behind me. Like, right when I got the tape, he's through the window, like, right
Dude,
there.
my heart jumped. It skipped a beat. I swear to God, it skipped a
did
beat,
mine.
dude.
Right.
I'm thirsty.
I hear something.
Oh, dude! Holy freaking crap!
Oh my god.
Dude,
I don't
he
even want to
wants
look,
me.
dude. I'm so freaked out right
He
now.
wants
Look
me.
how
He's
you look.
hungry. He's hungry for kids with masks on.
You're the only one with a mask.
I know.
I am so scared, dude. I don't even... Dude, I hear him. I hear something.
Oh god, Javi, don't look, don't
Oh
look.
god, dude, I can hear him. It's like a
Oh, dude, he's behind us, he's behind us, he's behind the tree.
noise.
Javi, look. Just look once, Javi. Just do a little quick.
Oh crap!
Oh god, oh
I'm
god.
stone.
I'm gonna kill myself.
Oh my God!
I'm gonna kill myself.
I
wanna
hate
turn this
this
thing
game.
I'll see you guys later.
Dude,
I'll
I
see you guys
turned it
later.
up. Wait,
No,
wait,
don't
wait.
leave. Don't
He
punk
disappeared.
out.
Oh, okay.
Oh my, he's in front of us!
Oh no! Wait! Holy crap!
Caesar!
Dude, I turned on my freaking volume to the max. Oh!
Dude, he...
Behind the freaking rock! Let's get out of here! Oh crap! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Run.
I can hear you! I can hear you! Please leave me alone!
Dude, I'm so scared right now. I don't even want to look.
I can hear him!
I hear him.
I can hear
There's a
him.
cave. I have found the cave.
Let's go through it!
I can hear him. What's he
Dude, I
sound
turned
like?
on my music so loud. My freaking
Oh
volume
my
so
God,
loud.
dude, it's so freaky right now.
What's he look like, guys? What's he sound like, I mean?
He's like he's growling or something.
Like
Crap.
he's hungry for me or something.
I'm gonna get
Yeah,
eaten.
dude.
I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna get eaten.
Where you at?
No, Caesar, come on, we need your reactions, man.
Oh crap! Oh crap! Don't look at that green thing.
Oh god, what is that?
Man? Oh, this is what he looks like. This is
Hey,
the
buddy.
white creature.
Are you thirsty? I think he's
The
thirsty.
buff
Javi.
Slenderman.
Javi, I think he's thirsty. Why can't we
I
look at
think
that
he's
green thing,
thirsty too. I think he's thirsty. Dude, we played on this map last time and freaking Caesar had some of the freakiest reactions ever.
What's that green thing? Oh, dude, I just my screen went staticky for a while. What's that green
Don't
thing, Danny?
get it, or else he'll take you.
What happened to that green thing? Through the...
Take you. It's like a truck, basically.
Dude, my flashlight's dying.
Turn it off and just look at my.
Hey, buddy. Oh. Alright, I turned it off. Oh god, I hear him. I hear him. I need my flashlight on. It dies.
Oh, there's one right here.
Where? Oh yeah, I see it. Found one. I found two.
Alright, he might be around. He might be around somewhere. Be careful. I hate doing that. And that freaks me out.
Got to take a
so
pee.
bad.
Got to take a pee, guys.
Well, I gotta go in a little.
Caesar, you're gonna pee yourself.
I know. Dude, my flashlight's flickering.
So is mine.
Just gonna let it die.
Oh crap, mine's gonna turn off. Oh god.
You turned it off, no lie.
I know.
Caesar's like, you turn it off.
Dude! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Right. Oh my god, dude.
Dude, I hear him.
Oh my god, dude,
Oh my
he's behind us,
God.
he's behind us,
Dude,
Javi,
he's
what's up,
behind Oh, there's another one.
There's another one, I hear it.
Javi, I dare you to look.
No, freak.
Okay, we need to freaking
Dude, this is gonna be the end of us. I know there is.
I dare you to look behind us.
Gosh, dang.
No, not that. No, is it this way?
Dude,
that's the river.
someone try and nipple twist him.
Oh my gosh. Alright.
Someone try and nipple
My
twist him.
flashlight's flickering.
Flashlight's flickering.
Oh crap, don't look at the trap.
Oh god, I see it.
Javi, I'm gonna look at it.
Don't
Don't look at it.
As soon as my flashlight dies, I'm just gonna kill myself.
No.
My flashlight's gone. My flashlight's got gone. Javi, look behind us really quick.
No, you freaking look behind, dude.
And no one.
Oh, that's
Good.
the right in front of us.
Dude, I freaking can hear him. Oh god.
I am so...
No, oh my god, how did I freaking know? Dude, he was right there. I knew he was gonna be right there in the tunnel. And he's freaking blocking it off.
Is he really? How are we gonna get back? Or how are we gonna go into the other
You
tunnel?
have to explore for a little bit until you get to
I'm gonna kill myself. I'm gonna kill myself, guys.
Caesar, don't.
Oh, there's another tunnel right here.
My flashlight's gonna die. Juanito, what are you
Oh, look,
playing?
another tunnel.
He's playing white noise, dude.
You can't play right now, Juanito. We're in the middle of a game.
Oh.
Why noise online? Dude, my flashlight's about dead.
Calm down, calm down.
We have to leave soon, Danny.
Oh, we're by the chair. Oh, oh my god! He's
Oh my
right
god, dude!
Oh!
Dude, that scared me! Oh,
He's right there! Oh, I can hear another
Oh
one.
my god!
Are you dead, Javi? I'm gonna kill myself, okay?
No, dude, I'm not. Oh, you found another one.
Okay. Okay, we need 4 more. Oh, dude, this is freaking scary.
Dude, we're all gonna die off one by one, I know it.
I know, this is gonna be too slow. This flashlight's gonna die out and he won't be able to find us.
Dude, I'm about dead. As soon as my flashlight's dead, I'm gone. Javi, stop running!
Dude,
Ah! Oh my god!
I could hear him behind
I
us.
don't see him. I don't see. Oh my gosh!
Oh my god, dude.
Right behind me! Right behind me!
Dude, I was
Oh,
going around
dude.
the whole thing. I was going in full circles and he popped up out of
Jesus,
nowhere.
did you make it?
Oh my
Dude, we
god!
have to leave soon, Danny. We have to leave right now.
Let's go, run, 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 run! Are you guys still alive?
I'm gonna die. Goodbye. I'm dead.
Caesar, don't die.
Hi, buddy. No, nobody been. Oh, he got
Ah!
Abby, freaking run!
No!
Abby, come on! Oh, he's looking at me!
what you're doing.
Oh, dude, I almost died.
Oh,
He took
Hey,
Caesar.
Danny, we have to go now.
oh dang.
Go where? Ah! Run towards you!
I've gone to the drive-in.
Are you guys going into the drive-in?
Yeah.
Yep.
Hold on, stay guys, we're almost done.
We're almost done.
Yeah, I kinda died.
Like we need to see how far we went. We need to see how far we went inside the tunnel. Or in the map.
Because I
Yay!
found 4 tapes, he wanted me the most. What?
Bye, Javi.
I wanna go.
If you want, but you got a picture. Okay.
Nah, dude, I can't even drive. I would if I could drive.
Well, we'll see
Wait,
you later.
wait. Watch it, watch it. We're almost there.
My mom said it was okay for me to go, but I don't know if which one want me.
We're gonna go. See you guys.
No!
I screamed. Holy crap.
Caesar or Danny, are you leaving yet?
Hold up.
Dude, look how many we screamed, dude.
I know.
How can you street? How can you street?
It's like the exclamation mark thing with Jacob.
Yeah,
Hold up.
dude. This is
I'm gonna go.
scary.
Peace out, guys.
Danny, you leaving? Danny. Holy dude. Dude, we could have went in a full circle. Danny! That's when we all died.
Alright, peace out. Peace out.
Dude, what movie are you guys gonna go watch?
Dawn of the Planet of the Apes.
Dawn of the Planet of the Apes.
I wanna go watch it.
See you later.